Hello, all you drunken sailors, and well, maybe not so drunken sailors. You have reached the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. This is the place where we shake, stir, and muddle our way into a storm. Well, today's storm is called Fan Friday, and we've got a cocktail request that came to us by Coconut Sky, one of our subscribers. So Coconut Sky asked us to make a cocktail that was made right around 2002, and it came from the Match Bar in London. It's since closed. Back then, there was a bartender there by the name of Vincenzo Errico. So he made a cocktail that was a riff on a Negroni. And that is today's request. And it is called the Enzoni. Pretty original. So let's get pouring. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, what you will see is a recipe card with all the ingredients and the quantities on there. So make sure you stick around. So we take the bottom half of our shaker, put some ice in there. And now I'm taking my mixing tin and putting that in there. This is going to help cool down our components of the cocktail as we build it. As I said, this cocktail is like a Negroni. And a Negroni has got 3 simple components into it, equal parts. This one has a few more, but the end result is going to be the same. To get this cocktail sweet, the first thing that we're going to do is take some green grapes, and we're going to put those in our shaker tin. And I'm putting about 6 grapes in there. You can use more or less depending on the size of the grapes. And we're just going to start by giving it a gentle muddle. As we know, throughout time, all good things started with grapes. Our next ingredient in there is going to be about 2/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're using fresh lemon juice because you know fresh is best. Our next ingredient in there is simple syrup. That's a 1-to-1 simple syrup, and we're going to use a 1/2 ounce. Next ingredient, dry gin, 1 ounce. Final ingredient is the aperitif. We're using Campari, 1 ounce. We're going to now put this together and give it a shake. And now we pour. You get that beautiful rich color on there. We're going to add a garnish. We're going to take that grape and we're going to use that as a garnish. And there we go. The Enzoni, Coconut Sky's cocktail of the week. Cheers, all you drunken sailors.